Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 3 trades. Today's date is February the 14th. I only did 3 as I said, focusing on this DAX, which pays the most, as you can see. I am using my new Pip Snagger trading system. I have nicknamed the Pip Snagger the Holy Grail trading system, mainly because of this TZ indicator. Also nicknamed this as a magic indicator, as it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. And this up and down movement, the goal line here, I call that the flow of the market. Now at 6 o'clock in the morning, right where this line is, I'm in front of the computer before the New York market opens, which is 8 a.m. And I'm drilling down the lights from the monthly, making my daily trade plan. We can take a look at that trade plan. Okay, here's the daily trade plan for February the 14th. Did the 3 trades, Euro Yen, 4 downs, watch for bearish. Dow Jones, 3 downs, watch for bearish, sell trades. And the DAX, right here, 4 of them down, watch for bearish trade. You have to produce something like this on a daily basis. And prior to trading, so if you trade 3 sessions, 2 or 3, you have to get in front of the computer, and at the beginning of the session you have to make this, because this will change over the course of 8 hours. So as it changes, then you might go from buying to selling. So that's why you have to make one of these. Now if you're not making one of these, it doesn't have to look exactly like this, but you have to write it down what the higher time frames are telling you. Now I bought this daily trade plan from 3 or 4 different mentors for many years, as I did not know how to do it. But eventually, when you look at the charts, the candlestick patterns and whatnot, you'll eventually be able to make your own, but it takes some time to figure that out. Keep in mind I do charge $100 a month for this, and I do have a special running, and if you want to know what that is, all you got to do is get in contact with me. So now we can take a look at the charts. I took all of these trades, looks like just before 9 this morning. I was running a little bit later today, as I had some other obligations to take care of, but when I came back to the computer, looking at my daily trade plan, and this was the cycle back up, hitting this general area, and then I knew it was going to drop down according to my daily trade plan. So let's see where I got in at. Here it is right here. Continue to go sideways for a while, and finally it kicked in, producing about, let's see, 29 pips. And those 29 pips paid out $2,510. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the Dow Jones. Keep in mind the Dow pays $5 a pip. There's the arrow to remind me from my daily trade plan that I wanted to be selling. Took the trade. Right on this red candle has got his signals over here and here to sell. So that's exactly what I did. I sold it, and when it was bouncing around support here, I decided to close the trade. It looks like 232. I'm going to use a calculator, see if that works out. 232. Looks like it was pretty close. Let's go with the 232 ticks, and that paid out $11,750. Moving right along to the DAX. This one pays a lot more than $5. With my lot sizes, it works out to $37.50 a pip. That's why I really try to keep an eye on this one. Let's take a look at it. Here we go on this DAX 30, close to 9 o'clock, 10 minutes before 9. There's the arrow. I just kept an eye on it. Once I saw it stabilizing, not going any higher, I knew it was going to come back down. Here we go. This is where I got in on the first red candle. It was good enough for me to give it a go. Took quite some time for it to drop, but that's the way trading is. You have to have patience and you have to sit around and wait. Looks like I closed it out with, well, this one I'm going to have to use a calculator. 931. Try to remember that. I'm going to use a calculator. I just used a calculator and actually said it was not 935 pips. 931. But anyhow, calculator says it's 935, and those 935 ticks paid $35,062. So it looks like another great day of trading. Great way to start out the week. I added up all the ticks and pips here. It worked out to be 1,196 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $49,323. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis, like my Pip Snagger, I recommend you get your hands on it, and I highly recommend getting your hands on a daily trade plan unless you are producing your own. And if you want some more information on how to get your hands on the Pip Snagger, right below this video in the description, you'll see this right up. My Pip Snagger System, I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market with help from this TZ indicator. Now my system has 5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Now I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is all just bonus stuff to help you learn how to trade the markets. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, as you can see here. I do teach a lot of ways. That's why there's 50 training videos. Now, I'm not going to read everything here. Please put the video on pause. You can read it. And of course, if you have any questions at all, simple. All you got to do, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here, so just send me an email. And by the way, if you're watching this video and if you're not on my email list, just send me your full name, and I'll obviously have your email, and I'll put you on my email list for some free weekly trading tips. Now I really do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link, and through Windows 10 there is Skype already pre-installed. We will have instant connection, and through Skype screen sharing I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. Please keep in mind that I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now if you click on this link here, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the systems I've been building over the years. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day, should be tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.